How to set AirDrop sharing to contacts only or everyone for 10 minutes on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on AirDrop. Now in here, from the list, you could select Contacts Only, or you can select Everyone for 10 minutes. If you select Contacts Only, then only people in your contacts can share files with you. If you select Everyone, then everyone can send you files, but it will only turn on for 10 minutes, after which time it will sit back to Contacts Only. And that's it. Here's that AirDrops let you share instantly with people nearby. You can be discoverable in AirDrop to receive from everyone and only people in your contacts. And after that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.